Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. And this video we're going to see a quick unboxing and review of this daily use mouse. So it comes from a brand called Arctic Fox. So this MRP actually it is around 2000, but I got this one for 599, around 600. Okay, so this is actually a space gray one. So it's written as made in India. I don't know how much it's true. So on the side you get an Arctic Fox and user manual, and at the rear you could see the year of manufacture, and it is made in Bangalore, Karnataka. Okay. So this mouse actually is a gray one, space gray, as you could see here. So coming to the specs, so it works with desktops. It's 76 grams, type C charging. It doesn't have batteries actually, so that removable AA batteries. It's actually inbuilt lithium ion battery. So you got a charging cable. So on this side you have dual Bluetooth 2.4 GHz receiver and the silent clicks, and also yeah, it has an adjustable DPIs, and it's around 400 mAh battery step. Now let's unbox it and see. So inside the box you get a charging cable. It comes with type C, but it's not that length. Okay, and you get the mouse itself. It's with a small thermocol paper wrap. This is actually a gray one. So you want to see, this is a gray colored mouse, and this is how the mouse looks from the outside. It has a clear transparent case, which I bought a space gray one. Okay, so as you could see, the receiver is inside. So talking about the buttons, it's not that too noisy compared to Logitech. Okay, it's a bit less noise. Even the scrolling function is good. Also it has a press up function in the scroll, and you get additional two buttons. One is for the switching the displays. You could connect three displays at the same time. Okay, so if you want to change it from one display to another, you can just click on this display button. Also you get three different DPI modes. Okay, so like handles of the sensitivity, I will suggest. Okay, so that's it from this side. Also this big thing inside, right, it's the battery. So above the battery you have this USB receiver, and this Arctic Fox actually lights up. Okay, I will show you that in a bit of time. And at the back you have three connectivity modes. One is the receiver, other is two are the Bluetooth 1 and 2. As you could see here, I don't know whether you could see it clearly, Bluetooth 1 and 2. Okay, so you could connect the devices either with using Bluetooth or your receiver. This is the on off button. Let me turn it on. So it's now saying your device is connected in Bluetooth 3. If you want to connect it in dongle, this Bluetooth 1 and Bluetooth 2. So it works like this. Okay, and at the front you could see four LEDs will be there, each one indicating the sequential battery percentage. So four are there. So it's right now it is actually currently in three lights are glowing, so 3 points are there. Okay, so in order to turn on this Arctic Fox light, long press the DPI button. Just keep it in idle and long press the DPI button. Yeah, so if you could see here, the light lights up. So another intelligent function is that when you are moving this side, the light glows off. So when it is idle, this thing lights up, but when you're keeping your hand and moving your working on the mouse, it just goes off. So this one is actually a great function to save the power. So if you need to open up this glass, it's holded up with these three magnets. So you can just open it there, like this. So it's actually easily breakable. So I would say don't remove it and keep it for a long time. Okay, so this is how it looks from the inside. this one you could just take it and connect it in your bike, sorry, connect it in your laptop. And this plastic is actually of a bit of low quality, I would say. So I would suggest not to keep it in your laptop and put it in your backpack, so it will easily break. And it doesn't need any effort on placing this up, it automatically loads and sets it up. So talking about the review of this, that's it. And also yeah, so at the front you get this type C charging port, so you could easily charge it up and use. And talking about this mouse, I have been using it for around 2 months, so it's good actually, to be honest. The sensitivity is good, and you have an adjustable DPI, so it's very well and good. I'd suggest using a mouse pad so that it will be good. So on this back plastics, right, it's not a rubber, it's a plastic one, doesn't get scratched off, or any issues won't come. So for the price of around 600, I will suggest that this is a good buy. So there are a lot of low budget, like for 450 or 500. I don't know how that works, but as I checked this review, it is actually good. I also purchased a white one previously that was actually well and good and working till now. For we purchased that for around before 4 months. It's actually good. That's the reason why I bought another mouse from that company. So I will also post the Amazon link below. Okay, so if anyone want to purchase that, you could just collect it from there. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye.